Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like J series, M series, F series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone if you're using, and if your handset is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then you had applied a hard reset or factory data reset of your handset. Then after, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome option, language option, start button, and emergency call button. You can see here. So let's start. After the factory data is set, either your smartphone has been unlocked or not. So go with the start button and follow all the instruction to check either your smartphone has been unlocked or not. So here you can see, you make sure that your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after, you have to tap on this next option. So here you can see, when you will tap on the next option, you will come on this page where you can see here it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock after factory data and hard reset. But here you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account instead. When you will tap on this option, you will switch to a new page where the page name is Google verifying your account, and this page is generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen, and this lock is known as FRP lock, where you will ask to feed your Gmail ID and password what you had applied when your phone was not locked. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next process. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you're not getting any escape option in this page. So in this video, I will tell you how you will get a escape option when you not remember your Gmail ID and password. Okay, so this video is totally dedicated for FRP bypass method. So first of all, you can see here when you go to the next option, it's not working, so you can't go to the next page here. So first of all, you will have to reach to the starting page here. From here you have to come on this page, that is welcome page. First of all, you will have to change the language option from English India to you have to change here English US. Then after, you have to tap on this next option. Now you will get a option that will show here emergency call. You have to tap on this one, and here you will have to dial star hash 0 star hash. You have to tap this star hash 0 star hash, and here you will get lots of option on your phone display. You have to tap on this version option. When you will tap on this version option, your phone's some versions and models will show on your phone display. Here you can see when you will touch on these options, you can't do anything. So don't worry at all in this space. Here you will have to wait for minimum 5 seconds, maximum there is no limit. So when your minimum 5 seconds will be done, simply you have to go to the back option and reach to the starting page here. Now after that, here you have to again start this option and go to the agree and start from here. Go to the more and agree. Now from here, in this page, you will have to switch on your phone's talkback option, and for this you have to press the volume up button and the power button, press, hold and release. Now you have to tap on this use option. Again you will have to repeat the same. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now you have to tap on this, double tap on this while using the app. Now you have to double tap on this use voice commands. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. When your phone setting option will appear on your phone display, you have to firstly switch off your talkback option. So to switch off the option of talkback, you have to repeat the process again. Now after that, you can see here this is the phone setting page, and here you will get the all the option what is showing in your phone setting page here. So you have to come to the option that will show here lock screen option. You have to tap on this one, And the first option is showing here screen lock type. Here you can see swipe is showing, but you know that your phone is locked due to pattern lock after factory data reset. When you will tap on this option here, you can see here it's not working. So don't worry at all. Scroll down and come to the option that will show here face recognition. You have to tap on this option. You have to come on the last of the page and you have to tap on this continue. So you can see here it's not working. Don't worry at all. You have to repeat the continue option 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that you have to go to the back option from this page and you have to tap on this about lock screen option. And you have to tap on this open source license option. Now here you will get a URL, okay, and you have to copy this from this page. You have to copy this URL. Now go to the back and back option. Now after that you don't have to do anything in your setting page here. Simply you have to exit from this page and come to the starting page here. Now you have to start the process again. Agree to all and agree from here. Now go to the more and agree. Now here you will have to tap on this add network option and here you will have to tap on this setting page. Now here in this page, first of all you have to scroll down and reset to all the setting of this page. Okay, now after that go to the back option here. Now in this page, now scroll up and come to the language and type option. Here you will have to again change the language from here and you have to switch on this English US and switch off this one. Go to the back. Now after that you have to come to the option that will show here text shortcut. You can see here you have to tap on this one and you have to tap on this add option. Now here you will have to paste that URL what you had copied and here you have to type that USSD what you had used the first. Now after that simply you have to tap on this add option, go to the back and the last setting you have to change. You have to come on this layout, tap on this one and you have to change from default to alternative and apply from here and go to the OK. You will switch to the back page. You can see here now all the settings has been changed. Let's check either your FRP lock has been removed or not. So simply you have to tap on this start option and go through all the process. Go to more and agree. Now after that you have to tap on this next. Here you have to choose this don't copy. Now you can see here where there was not any skip option in this page where the Gmail ID and password was asking. Now you're getting here a skip option. Now you can easily bypass this page. It means your FRP lock has been completely removed from your Samsung phone. Now after that simply you have to follow all the steps to set up your phone. Make sure use a new pin pattern or password lock. Go to the OK. Skip from here. You're all set up. Simply you have to tap on this finish option. Go to agree. And here you can see the phone has been completely unlocked by pin pattern and password lock and FRP bypassed, and what I had applied a new pattern is working or not. You can see here my new pattern was this one and you can see here it's working. It means this phone has been completely FRP bypassed. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of the Samsung Android smartphone, then do like this video. So thank you so much.